Crew AI versus Autogen versus Langgraph. Features, pros and cons compared. I am going to tell you which AI agent framework might fit your workflow. Crew AI focuses on multi-agent collaboration with clear role assignments. Great for orchestrating specialized agents that work together on complex tasks. Pro, team-like coordination. Con, still new, fewer integrations compared to others. Autogen is Microsoft's open source framework for building conversational and task based AI agents. It's highly flexible, supports multi agent conversations, and integrates well with Python. Pro, robust developer features. Con, steeper setup for non coders. Langgraph is built on LangChain but designed for graph based control flows. Perfect for visualizing agent logic and debugging. Pro, powerful control over task sequences. Con, requires understanding LangChain's ecosystem. For simplicity and teamwork, Crewai. For flexibility and coding power, Autogen. For visual task orchestration, Langgraph.